Prajakta, now that you are, of course, living your life as an actor, do you think there are fans who are kind of
Yes, yes.
disappointment?
This was a good.
I love how Rohit is laughing in the mic.
Laughing in the mic, no? You're holding it up.
What can we expect from the second season? Everyone's super excited about it.
Definitely, I mean, of course, besides the obvious of taking the journey forward from where at a very significant juncture where we left it, with a lot of questions. So I think certainly some answers, hopefully some more questions, but also I think. Now that season one, did as well as it did, and the characters got as much love as they did, I think that it is a great opportunity for us as creators to kind of do a bit of a deep dive into all the characters and get to know them a little bit better. Which was so there were 6 episodes, that were very quick and snackable, and this time around we've kind of got to spend a little bit more time with them, and with all the tracks, in fact, have been kind of given their time to kind of flesh out and become more interesting and become more three-dimensional in that sense. So I think more of the stuff that people loved, and a lot of new things to love as well. So
And both of you tell me, was it like easy to get into the skin of Dimple and Rishi again, or did it take time, like because it came after the break?
It was a lot, but to come back into it was exciting because it was challenging, because it wasn't easy, because it wasn't boring. If you've done something before, then you just got to come back and do the same thing again. I don't think it's fun, right? So, but it wasn't the same. It was different. Also, while sure a lot had happened with us as people, a lot had also happened with the characters. The character goes through a massive journey. Each character, actually, I sounded so weird, but like each character has had a massive journey in second season, and I'm so excited for everyone to watch it, because after season 1 there were separate fan bases, not just for the show but also for each character, because they had personal favorites, and very rightfully so, because they're beautifully written characters. And I'm just so excited that we, as the team of Mismatch, got to explore that in the second season and give so much more to the people who actually wanted more. So yeah.
I mean, I don't think I got out of the skin only for a long time. But I think more than getting into the skin, because that was made easy for us because of our direction team and our writers team. I think coming back to a character and finding new things out about them was where the challenge, I think, lied for me. Like, for example, I didn't know that Dimple had a history of having panic attacks when she was younger. When she was in school,
I was like, spoiler, spoiler, spoiler. Then I realized, oh, it's in the
it's
trailer.
in the trailer. So when she was in school, she used to have panic attacks before exams because she used to get all worked up. And it hadn't happened for a long, long time. I didn't know this about her. So finding that new information. Why do you have this smile?
We love you.
So, finding out new things about her, seeing her react to seeing her response to newer situations in life that I had not known her for. I think cracking that, understanding that was challenging. Yeah.
And both of you, like, if you look back, what role does Mismatch play in your life?
The game changer.
Yeah, same for me.
But Prajakta, I mean, midway, of course, you did Jug Jug Jio. Mismatch was your first debut as an actor. Now, do you think you'll be assessed more as an actor than just a content creator who's turned an actor? So, does that add pressure to you?
I hope. I hope I am taken a little more seriously, like in that way, if that is the meter of, a kind of taking things forward. I'll be very honest to you. I don't know if it's right, but I'm not feeling the pressure in a way where, like, what if? I'm just very happy and grateful that I get to work with people who are helping me grow, and kind of do work in a direction that inspires me to keep trying and keep moving and trying new things. But other than that, I think I'm just taking each day as it comes. I don't want to, because there's a lot of things I've not processed in my mind yet, and I don't want to get overwhelmed with it.
Rohit, of course, you started your journey with Alia, Shah Rukh, there's Priyanka, you worked with the big names. How much do you think adds to the credibility of an actor for you? Like, did you see that change?
100%, ma'am. For the simple reason that it's pure logic that, you know, when there are bigger names attached, the reach is much more. It's more widely watched. You know, would people watch a film that is led by Rohit Saraf? Perhaps not, but would people watch a film that is led by Hrithik Roshan, Priyanka Chopra, Alia Bhatt, Shah Rukh Khan? 100%. All of the country is going to watch, and not just the country, but the world is going to watch, right? So it does kind of, give you a lot to be. Okay, we want as actors, we want to be seen. You know, and that happens when you're working with such amazing actors. And I think not just that. I think that the reward is not just the fact that you're getting to be seen. It's not the exposure. I think it's the experience.
Tell us who was the naughtiest on set, Akash.
Akash was.
ऐसे
They
क्या
keep saying this a lot, so I'll go with it. Okay.
Who was the most Sharif one?
Vihan.
Rehan, yeah.
Yeah.
No, Sarthak.
सार्थक भी नहीं. 1 second. Vihan.
Who would go and look at the monitor screen after every scene?
Prajakta.
मुझे डांट भी पड़ी उसके लिए.
इससे डांट पड़ी.
तेरे से.
Who was a fashionista after cut? Like after cut, they would just
Before, after, during, before scared, after scared. In life, generally.
Wait, is it?
I mean,
and who doesn't care about styling?
Akash.
Who was the director's pet?
All of us. We want to be his pets.
I mean, we want to believe that was all of us.
Who would
Definitely not all of you.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Akash, stop it.
who would get scolded by Akash the most?
Momo.
Oh my god, yeah, Momo.
God, yeah. I mean, see,
Season 2,
Momo.
whom did you scold a lot?
Nobody.
I think he was just trying to pacify everyone in season 2. He was just trying to make people not cry.
Who was pampered by the crew?
I was. And Tarak was, because we were both sick.
Okay. Who tells the worst jokes on set?
Up and
Us. Oh. yeah, Abhinav.
Who's always on their phones while shooting?
Prajakta Kori. And Akash, actually.
Last two. Worried about the makeup and touch up all the time.
All of them.
Hey.
All of us, but I was really worried. Yeah.
Who was a mismatch on set?
Nobody. We're all misfits. I think we belong here.
Yeah, it's a bunch of people who don't fit and then they come together and suddenly it makes sense.